Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Honor 90, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. Battery life on this Honor device. Firstly, you need to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features. So if you have enabled the Bluetooth, so just disable it, disable the nearby share, disable 5G, disable NFC, disable location services, and of course disable personal hotspot, wireless projection if you have enabled, and Honor Share too. So cool. Then you need to open the settings and find the display and brightness, and firstly enable the dark mode. Here in Honor 90 we have LED screen, so our screen was created from thousands of micro LED lamps, and lamp can't produce the black color. So if you have the black color on your screen, it means the screen in this place is disabled. So in LCD screens, in dark and in the white places, light places, your screen is consuming the same power because you have only liquid crystals and the one big LED panel outside of the LCD panel. But here in LED screens we have thousands of micro LED lamps, and for example now my screen is consuming battery power in these places, in this, but here in the black it's not consuming the battery power. And now when I'm using the most powerful screen brightness, here in the black places my screen is not consuming battery power too. So enable the dark mode, then scroll down and find here screen resolution and disable the smart resolution and enable low resolution. In low resolution your smartphone will live longer. Then choose screen refresh rate and choose standard. Choose standard. With the standard mode your screen will not be too smooth, but in this way your screen will consume less battery power. Okay, scroll down, and cool. The last thing you can do is to enable the battery saving mode. So here find the battery and enable the power saving mode, and in power saving mode your smartphone will live longer. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.